If you switch from an Android phone over to an iPhone, one of the immediate things you'll notice in the keyboard is that the number row is missing. Or maybe you just don't want to go switch over to the number section of the iPhone keyboard, and it adds one additional step. The nice thing is we can add that number row to the top of the keyboard, and it's fairly easy to do so. Let me walk you through how to do it. Now, if I open up the normal keyboard, you can see at the top there's no number row. I need to tap on the 1, 2, 3 at the bottom left, and then I'll see the numbers. However, let's add it right above the QWERTY here. To be able to do that, tap on the App Store on your iPhone, tap on Search at the bottom right, and search for keyboard. Unfortunately, there's no way to do this with the built-in iPhone keyboard, but there are some great third-party options. If you scroll down here, there are a couple that you can choose. One is Gboard, but I personally like this Microsoft Swift key instead. So just tap on download and install. It's completely free and of course made by Microsoft. After this app is done installing, I'll show you how it works. Tap on Open here, or if you don't see that, you can swipe over to the app library and find the app right there. Now, tap on Get Started at the bottom center. I don't want to sign in, so I'm going to tap Not Now at the bottom, and I'm going to tap Not Now at the bottom left. I'm going to tap No because I don't want to share the usage. And now I need to give it full access to be able to use that keyboard. So you can see it says allow full access, and just tap on Take Me there next to Swift key. It will open up these settings. Oh, for whatever reason that is not working. If it doesn't work on your phone, let's manually get to there. So hop out of here, open up the Settings app of your iPhone, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Apps at the bottom. Scroll down again until you get to Swift key on this list. There it is. Tap on Swift key. Tap on Keyboards. And turn on Swift key if it is off, and turn on Allow Full Access, and tap Allow. Now we're allowed to use that keyboard. Again, let me just open this up. And you can see sometimes it defaults to this keyboard. If it doesn't, you can see if it's on the default iPhone keyboard, just tap on the globe at the bottom left to switch over to Swift key. However, now you'll notice the numbers are still not there. Let's add those in by tapping on the 4 squares at the top right above P. And then scroll down, tap on Settings at the bottom. Tap on Next here, and exit out of here. Tap on Settings at the bottom right, and toggle on Number Row. Just like that, you can hop into anywhere that has a keyboard, and now right above the QWERTY is the 1 through 9 and 0 keyboard number set, and you don't need to switch to a different screen to see that. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.